As a chef, Ben's original sauces are an absolute store cupboard essential. I use them in all sorts of recipes. I even use them cold in a starter for dips, sometimes sharing platters. I'm going to show you two great recipes today using Ben's original black bean sauce. My first recipe is absolutely delicious. It's black bean salmon with lentils and spinach. Okay, so I'm going to make the lovely sauce marinade for the salmon. Some allspice, some lemon, and then grate some fresh ginger. So a little good tip if you want your ginger to grate easily is to freeze it first and it will grate nice and smoothly. I'm going to mix it all together now. So we have some lovely pieces of salmon. I've just lightly oiled the tray. And then top with our sauce. Perfect. Now they're ready for the oven. They go in at 180 for about 15 minutes. Fry some onions in a little bit of oil. So we need to fry these onions. We get a nice colour on them now. So now the onions are brown, I'm going to add the lentils. Give them a stir. I'm going to wilt some spinach now. And as soon as that's come down like that, has enough heat in that pan, I will turn off, and that'll be absolutely fine. There's enough heat in there to wilt that spinach well. Some yogurt. A little touch of seasoning. And just stir that in. And now we're ready to plate up. I'm going to place the salmon on the middle of the plate. Then I'm going to get a nice spoonful of lentils and spinach and put it on the top, slightly to the side of the salmon. Some nice fresh coriander to finish it. So first thing I'm going to do is I've got some cooked chicken. I'm going to put that in the bowl with some of the black bean. Gently mix that together. I'm going to finely slice some cucumber, some spring onion, and now I'll assemble the sandwich. So get yourself some nice bread, one of your favourites like a ciabatta or a baguette. I've got ciabatta here. And all I'm going to do is just slice it in half. Open it up, and you can either scoop the bread out, or what I like doing is I'll just like pressing it in a little bit, and you layer up your sandwich. So get some of your lovely chicken in there, and your black bean, a layer of cucumber, spring onion, and then finish with some coriander. And I like to get a little bit of the black bean sauce and just rub it into that bread, just for a little bit more flavour. Here we have our Vietnamese Ben's original black bean banh mi. And there we have it, 5 ways with Ben's original black bean sauce. For all the recipes, visit the website.